Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the sounds of animals. A cow moos. A cat meows. A dog barks. A goat bleats. The sound of a pig is grunt. A pig grunts. An ox bellows. Like that of an ox, a buffalo bellows. Sound of a buffalo bellow. A donkey brays. A horse neighs. A tiger roars. Similarly, the king of the jungle, a lion, roars. A bear growls. Giraffes, the tallest animals in the world, hum. A monkey chatters. The sound of a zebra is bray. A zebra brays. The heaviest animal on earth, the elephant, trumpets. In the morning, a cock crows. A hen clucks. A crow caws. The sound of the national bird of India, peacock, is screams. A peacock screams. The bird that remains active at night, an owl, hoots. A parrot talks. A duck quacks. Quack quack. The sound of a bee is buzz. Bees buzz. A snake hisses. Frog, an animal that can live both on land and in water, croaks. Sound of a frog is croaks. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.